Fall is a pretty weird time for me. I think it is for a lot of people because it's like you're starting to get used to all your classes around this time, and like everything's starting to become normal, but also like everything's kind of changing, and it's getting cold again, and a bunch of memories are coming back. And I wrote the song last year. It's called October, and I hope you like it.
And it's cool.